guys, it's me again. Yeah, sorry for not uploading. I know you guys are asking for more videos and you love them. Hopefully. But because of Thanksgiving, a lot of birthday parties and stuff I'm going to, and of course, Christmas, I don't know how my brain is gonna cram it in while all successfully doing it. I don't know how my brain is gonna make videos when I have so much stuff going on. Loads like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks or something. I'm sorry, I'm just super busy and everything. But no, my channel is not dead. I've been noticing people have been unsubscribing because they think my channel's dead, I don't upload, but that's wrong. See you guys, just a little update. Thank you, and subscribe, and eat cheese.